Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. I have been on the search for the perfect wine glasses for years. I am so tired of replacing broken, expensive glasses. I want nice things. Why can't I have nice things without people breaking them all the time? My daughters were talking about the latest products showing up in their friends' wedding registries, and Fable glasses came up. They mentioned that they are a durable Japanese soda lime glassware that undergoes a unique ion toughening treatment that makes it 1.6 times stronger. In other words, they're perfect for everyday use. And I want to use nice things every day instead of only on special occasions. Now, I ordered a set of 4 wine glasses, and they actually have 9 different sets in their regular line and 9 sets in their Pro series. I'll add a link to their website below in the description. Now check out their packaging. These came in the mail, no problem. They're expertly packaged. I bet whoever designed this packaging won the egg drop competition in elementary school. Now, as I was opening the package, you might have noticed that there was a conversation starter printed on the inside of the lid, and it said, "What's the most memorable meal you've ever made?" And there was another small write-up that said, "We bring people together setting the table for joy, laughter, and storytelling." I can really feel the heart of this company. Wow, that is a beautiful glass. Now, when it comes to wine glasses, I'm looking for the glass to be really thin, the stem to be long and elegant, and the overall look to be timeless. And these are absolutely beautiful, and they tick all the boxes. I love how their name is etched into the base. Now, this is a premium tableware company, and I was excited to find out they're also a Canadian company. They not only sell glassware, but also offer dinnerware, cutlery, rugs, lighting, decor, and so much more. Be sure to check out the link I've added below. Now, I've used my glasses for over a year now on a regular basis, and they've held up beautifully. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. Here are some videos you might enjoy watching next.